In this video, you will learn what is neutral axis and how you will derive this neutral axis. Okay. Hello friend, I am Sommadeep back to with new tutorial video regarding RCC video series. Last video, I discussed about diagram of analysis of beam. In case you missed this video, then definitely here is some I button. Go and check out. Otherwise, you go to my playlist section. From there, you can see this video. Okay. So without further delay, let's get started this video. First, understand what is a neutral axis. What is a neutral axis? See, this is your beam. Okay. This is x axis and this is your y axis. From y axis, this is the midpoint, and from x-axis this is your midpoint almost. Now you draw a hatch line. So if you consider a plane on this plane is your neutral plane, and the axis passing through the neutral plane known as neutral axis. Okay. Okay. So this is your neutral axis. As I mentioned earlier video, there is no tension, no compression. That is why I mentioned in my video that before bending, after bending, plane sections remain plane. So as there is no tension, no compression, that is why in neutral axis there is plane section is plane before and after bending. From this section above, this section is compression zone. Below this section tension zone. But this section or position of this section may vary the quantity of steel as well as concrete. Yeah, that will vary. So this is all about the neutral axis. Now our question is that how we calculate. How we calculate. So before starting the calculation, we draw the diagram. This is your B. This is your capital D. This is your cover, and this is your small d, that is effective depth. If neutral axis assume that then this is the stress diagram. This is sigma s, this is sigma c. Sigma c is your concrete stress, sigma is equal to steel stress, d effective depth. This is your n. N equal to neutral axis depth from extreme fiber of compression, and this is the value of d minus n. This is the value of d minus n. Okay, that will clear. Now, if we apply the if we apply the similar triangle concept, then we can write sigma c by n, that is equal to sigma s by d minus n. From here I can write d minus n by n equal to sigma s by sigma c. Now d minus n by n equal to, as we know the equivalent section, so sigma s should be sigma s by n divided by sigma c, because in this line we apply the equivalent concept. Now what happened? See one thing, this n, this is n, but this n is, we can see n equal to some constant into d. Later we find out what is the value of k. So d minus kd by kd equal to sigma s by sigma c into n. So 1 minus k by k equal to 1 by n sigma s by sigma c. Now we can say 1 by k minus 1 equal to 1 by n sigma s by sigma c. From here we can write 1 by k equal to 1 by n sigma s by sigma c plus 1. Then k equal to, we can write n sigma c by sigma s plus n sigma c. This is the value of k. So we know n equal to kd, that means n equal to n sigma c divided by sigma s plus n sigma c into d. Okay, so till now it is clear how we'll find the value of n. Okay. Now we apply that n equal to 280 by 3 sigma cbc. Okay, now put the value of this. So K equal to 280 by 3 sigma CBC into sigma CBC divided by sigma S plus 280 by 3 sigma CBC into sigma CBC. This is cut out, this is cut out. And what happened? Now K equal to 280 divided by 3, 3 sigma S plus 280 by 3. So 3 cut out. Then K equal to 280 by 280 plus 3 sigma S. Then if this is this, then I can say n equal to kd, then n equal to 280d by 280 plus 3 sigma s. Okay, that means neutral axis depend on k, neutral axis depend on k, that k depend upon 1 upon sigma s. If n, if sigma s decrease, k increase, n increase. If sigma s increase, k decrease, n should be decrease. So this is the a beautiful correlation between n, k as well as sigma s. Hope this is clear to you. While I am going to very slow, but if you want, you can play this video in 1.2 to 1.5x. So in this video, we'll found a neutral axis. We'll found a neutral axis if sigma c and sigma a is known. Then we found the value of n. In next video, we'll find the value of n if area of steel and area of concrete is known. So yeah, so if in this video you have any kind of doubt, then do comment in comment section. I will definitely get back to you. And if you find some value from this video, then definitely one like for this video. And yeah, share this video to your circle group. Thank you for watching this video and see you soon with next video. Till then, bye bye.